Alright, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Honda CR-V EXL. This comes in a gray exterior with a gray interior. Sunroof. Honda CR-V all-wheel driving badge in here. And our trunk. Rear seats. Quick look at the front of the vehicle. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, a turnkey ignition here, and we're looking at 85,506 for mileage. We have our radio up here. Got our navigation system. There we go. And backup camera. Climate control right beneath there. And shifter. And center console. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.